Moving on from personal conduct, let us now identify the major hazards found in the workshop. A hazard is anything that has the potential to cause harm. This harm may be immediate, such as a cut or burn, or long-term, such as hearing loss or breathing problems. Some hazards are easy to see, while others may not be obvious at first. Identifying hazards early is one of the most important steps in preventing accidents. First, we have mechanical hazards. These are hazards created by machines, tools, and moving parts. Examples include rotating drill bits, lathe chucks, gears, belts, and cutting blades. Sharp edges on metal sheets or tools also fall into this category. Another common mechanical hazard is flying metal shavings, known as swarf, produced during drilling, cutting, or grinding. Swarf can cause eye injuries and cuts. For this reason, always use machine guards and never use your hands to clear swarf. Always use a brush or suitable tool instead. Next are electrical hazards. These occur when electrical equipment is faulty, damaged, or used incorrectly. Real-life examples include exposed wires, damaged power cables, loose plugs, or overloaded extension leads. Electrical hazards can cause electric shock, burns, or even fires. Always inspect electrical equipment before use and report any faults immediately. Never use electrical tools with wet hands or near water. We now move on to fire and fume hazards. These are common in workshops where heat, sparks, or chemicals are present. Sparks from welding, cutting, or grinding can ignite flammable materials such as oil, solvents, or fuel. In addition, welding and certain chemicals produce harmful fumes that can affect your lungs and overall health. Always ensure proper ventilation, keep flammable materials stored safely, and make sure fire exits are clear at all times. Finally, we have slip and trip hazards. These hazards are usually caused by poor housekeeping. Examples include tools left on the floor, oil or water spills, metal offcuts, and trailing electrical cables across walkways. Slip and trip hazards can lead to falls, fractures, and serious injuries. Keep floors clean and dry, store tools properly after use, and ensure all walkways remain clear. Remember, recognizing hazards and taking action to control them helps create a safe, organized, and professional workshop environment. To help us navigate the dangers found in the workshop, we rely on safety signs. Safety signs are visual symbols used to communicate important safety information quickly and clearly. They provide instructions, warnings, and guidance that help prevent accidents and injuries, especially in environments where hazards are present. Safety signs are commonly displayed on machines, walls, doors, electrical panels, storage areas, and emergency routes. They are placed where hazards exist or where safety instructions must be followed, so that everyone can see and understand them before an accident occurs. Safety signs are important because they warn people of potential dangers, give clear instructions on safe behavior, reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, help people respond correctly during emergencies, create a safer and more organized working environment. We will discuss 4 types of safety signs. Let's start with prohibition signs. Prohibition signs are circular with a red border and a diagonal slash. These signs tell you what you must not do. They are designed to prevent dangerous actions that could lead to injury, fire, or damage. Common examples include no smoking, no running, no entry, do not touch. Ignoring prohibition signs can result in serious accidents, especially in areas involving machinery, electricity, or flammable materials. Mandatory signs are circular and blue in color. These signs tell you what you must do to stay safe in a particular area. Examples include wear eye protection, wear ear protection, wear safety boots, wear protective gloves. Mandatory signs are often found near machines or areas where personal protective equipment, or PPE, is required. Following these signs helps reduce the risk of injury and long-term health problems. Warning signs are yellow triangles with a black border and symbol. They alert you to specific hazards that could cause harm if you are not careful. Common warning signs include high voltage, hot surface, slippery floor, moving machinery. These signs do not forbid or command an action, but they warn you to take extra care and remain alert in hazardous areas. Emergency signs are green squares or rectangles. They indicate safe conditions, escape routes, or emergency equipment. Examples include emergency exit, First aid station, emergency shower, assembly point. In an emergency, these signs guide people quickly and safely to exits or assistance, helping to prevent panic and reduce injury. Always obey safety signs in the workshop. They are there to protect you, your classmates, and your instructors, and to ensure a safe and controlled working environment. Since we have mentioned emergency signs, it is important to discuss basic first aid. Even with proper training and safety precautions, accidents can still happen in the workshop. Knowing how to respond correctly in the first few minutes can reduce the severity of an injury and prevent further harm while waiting for professional medical assistance. First aid is the immediate care given to an injured person before qualified medical help arrives. In the workshop, every student must know the location of the first aid kit, the emergency eye wash station, and the person responsible for first aid. In the event of a burn, act quickly. Immediately place the affected area under cool, clean running water for at least 10 minutes. This helps to reduce pain, swelling, and further damage to the skin. Do not apply ice, butter, oil, or ointments, as these can worsen the injury and cause infection. If debris or chemicals enter the eye, do not rub it. Rubbing the eye can scratch the cornea and cause serious damage to vision. Instead, go immediately to the emergency eye wash station and flush the eye thoroughly with clean water, keeping the eye open while rinsing. For cuts and bleeding, apply direct pressure using a clean cloth or bandage to stop the bleeding. If possible, elevate the injured limb above heart level to reduce blood flow. Do not attempt to clean deep wounds yourself. In all cases, once the situation has been stabilized, notify the instructor or supervisor immediately. Never ignore an injury, no matter how minor it may seem. Prompt reporting ensures proper treatment and helps prevent further accidents. Knowing basic first aid procedures can prevent injuries from becoming serious emergencies and helps create a safer workshop environment for everyone.